Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Kenyan Cuisine, and today I'm super excited to share with you this liver stew recipe that is delicious, healthy and packed with a lot of nutrients. And today we're using a cow liver. Welcome back to Mom's Kitchen Diary. If you're new here, warm welcome. Feel free to interact on the comment section if you're back for another delicacy. Thank you so much for stopping by. So first we're going to remove the membrane, but if you find it difficult, you're going to soak it in a milk, or you're going to wash it with a vinegar to remove the sour taste that the liver has. After washing, you're going to cut into your desired size, and then you're going to boil it for around 15 minutes. Over a medium heat, you're going to add some oil in a pot, and then you're going to fry your liver for around 3 minutes on each side. Then you're going to go in with your onions and cook for around 2 minutes. At this point, you're going to add your tomato paste and mix to combine. Then add your seasoning cube, salt, mix, and add the blended tomatoes and carrot. You're going to mix it and add some water, then cover and let it cook for around 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you're going to garnish with coriander and you're going to serve with any starch meal of your choice. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode of Kenyan Meal. Until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.